Good day, sir.
The house help from the agency, right?
Yes, sir.
Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Young man, I hope you'll be able to do this house job very well.
Now my work with this one. I do the one since I did very young. In fact, with over 17 years experience as houseboy.
That's good. Young man, listen. My wife is my queen. See, in fact, she's the reason why I work so hard to ensure I give her a good life. I don't want my wife to stress at all. That's why I employ your services to come and do the house chores in this house. You wash the dishes, you clean the compound, you clean the city. In fact, anything that gets to do with working in this house, it's your duty. I don't want my wife to pick anything like pin, not even spoon in this house. If it warrants you to feed my wife, young man, you will do it.
Jesus.
If it warrants you to brush her teeth, you will do it.
I hear you, sir.
If it warrants you to bathe her, you will do it. But ensure you don't cross your boundaries.
Don't try out.
I want my wife to live a very soft life. I don't want her to stress. I want her to look forever young for me.
This your wife get luck, oh. She get luck where? He be good man.
Honey? My queen? My baby. This is the houseboy from the agent.
I hear quack for your mouth. You dey crazy?
Baby, please now.
Nothing like please for you, madam.
No man go fit put you for house with this your bad character. Very lazy thing. To wash your clothes are your problem. To even cook food na problem. What you sabi do? Nothing. May I tell you, you no go fit see man like me. You can never find a good man like me with this your bad character. Never.
Very wicked man. I feel black.
Let me tell you something.
Hey! God, though. Solo. All this year, you do lazy. You know sabi clean. You know sabi do this one. Now house help now you end. House help. Hey God. Who be this one? They say this. Stand up for my chair.
So must poor man pikin cry that you know the last comment of a fool.
She say no man go marry me with my bad character and laziness. But see me today now. I'm happily married to a rich man. Man wey get money. See your life. Anyway, your first job in this house as my houseboy. You see those trees for outside? They dirty. You go outside, you go wash the tree, clean the leaf one by one. Make the leaf dey spark.
No, now for what?
You come back to this house. You go kitchen. You go clean.
This man. You no go better for bad people.
Thank you for saving me.